You feel tired all day long, but you are wide awake at midnight. Your sleep cycle is broken. The main cause is your circadian rhythm. This internal clock runs on a 24-hour cycle. It controls when you sleep and wake up. Light is its strongest signal by far. Morning sunlight tells your brain to wake up. Evening darkness says it is time to wind down. But modern life confuses this entire system. Screens, late meals, and irregular schedules disrupt it. The good news is you can reset it. Let us explore how step by step. First, we need to understand what this clock is. Your circadian rhythm is a biological clock. It lives in your brain's suprachiasmatic nucleus. That is a tiny region deep inside your brain. This master clock syncs with the day-night cycle outside. It regulates hormones like melatonin and cortisol. Melatonin helps you fall asleep at night. Cortisol helps you wake up in the morning. When your rhythm is off, sleep suffers. You may feel groggy during the day. You may feel restless at night. Research suggests consistency is key for this system. A regular schedule supports your clock. Your brain loves predictable patterns. Now let us talk about light in more detail. Light is your clock's strongest cue. Morning sunlight boosts alertness right away. It tells your brain to stop making melatonin. Try getting 10 to 30 minutes of morning light. Go outside without sunglasses for best results. Even a cloudy day provides enough light. Evening light from screens delays your sleep. Blue light tricks your brain into daytime mode. Your brain thinks it is still afternoon. This makes falling asleep much harder. Dim your lights 1 hour before bed. Use warm, low-intensity lamps instead. Consider blue-blocking glasses if needed. This simple change can support melatonin production. Your sleep will come more easily. Next, consider timing of meals and movement. When you eat affects your internal clock. Late meals can shift your rhythm forward. This makes waking up harder in the morning. Try eating your last meal 3 hours before bed. This gives your body time to digest. A full stomach keeps your brain active. Exercise also influences sleep timing. Morning exercise may advance your clock earlier. Evening exercise can delay it for some people. Research suggests moderate activity helps overall. But timing matters for your rhythm. Listen to your body's signals carefully. Notice how you feel after different workouts. There is also temperature to consider. Your body temperature drops at night naturally. This drop signals sleep onset to your brain. A cool bedroom supports this cooling process. Aim for 65 to 68 degrees Fahrenheit. That is the ideal sleeping temperature range. A warm bath before bed can help too. The rapid cooling afterward promotes sleep. Your body relaxes as it cools down. This mimics the natural temperature drop. Your brain interprets this as a sleep signal. Try this routine for better rest. Consistency is the final piece of the puzzle. Wake up and go to bed at the same time. Even on weekends when you want to sleep in. This strengthens your circadian rhythm over time. Your sleep will become more predictable. You will feel more rested each morning. Your energy levels will stabilize throughout the day. It takes a few weeks to build this habit. But the results are worth the effort. To summarize everything we covered today: light, timing, temperature, and consistency. These are the 4 pillars of a healthy rhythm. Start with one change today. Small steps lead to lasting results over weeks. Pick one pillar and focus on it. Then add another change later. Your sleep will thank you for it. Subscribe to Wellness Compass for clearer wellness decisions.